I'm recreating the What's the Point makeup. I have a mini tutorial on that on the other video posted. But now get ready with me to create an outfit that will match the makeup. I have this t-shirt dress from my collection because, well, the colors matching. Note to make a little bit more room for the neckline because makeup. I got this sexy corset belt, so let's put that on. Looks nice. Good combination. Some gold accessories to match the gold reflections from the fabric. And I will add this cute bracelet that has turquoise and a little bit of brown in it to match the other accessories. If you are wondering, this type of shoes I would wear with this outfit or some kind of boots. But the thing is, I'm at home, so I don't wear shoes in-house, no shoes, but this is what I would wear if I will go outside. And now the hair. I added a black hairband and this is the look. I hope you like it and don't forget to follow for more content.